The markets drop after a long weekend. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It is Tuesday, July 5th, 2015. 2016 rather. And I hope everybody escaped injury over the weekend here. A lot of celebration and fireworks and a good time to reflect back on 240 years of freedom here in the great United States. Markets down. Spider. Everybody's just down. Small caps down the most, down 1.5%. Banks off by more than 2%. US dollar break even, but crude oil takes a massive drop down 5%. We'll look at that. Gold higher, silver higher by 1.3%. I'm long silver. And the VIX higher by 1.7%. The VIX index over 5% higher. Now we're taking a look here at the S&P 500. Over the weekend, did you watch the video? If you watched the video, I said I'm calling for sell signal. Went short on a Friday, and I am in the money. Matter of fact, I have my stop loss now set in a place where I'm above the break-even mark, meaning that there's no way, unless I get a sizable gap to the upside, I lose money. I only have downside unlimited opportunity to make money. And so that's a great trade to be in. We did drop with lower high, lower low. We are above the 20 and the 50 and the EMA coming across here, 8 EMA. A lot of moving averages. We're still finding support. But if you look here, we have a lot of downside opportunity. The question is, will we break down below these moving averages? Look here at the Dow. Called a sell signal. Sure enough, we're down, but we're still above moving averages. Will those act as support? Maybe. NASDAQ poked its head above an area of resistance, and I wasn't able to put a sell signal there because of that. However, we did drop down below. Because of this, I'm going to tweak this line. Normally, I could not do that, but I did get a lower high, lower low. It did do this. We are caught up in the moving averages. So the moving averages are not acting as support, but rather as an area of being contained. There's containment here of the price action. Small caps or Russells, big drop here. Matter of fact, this is the one that I am short. I'm short the markets, and I'm short the Russell. So I made really good money today. Called it really felt good about the short on this one because we had two trend lines coming that we tagged and it confirmed. So, and then we dropped. Now we're caught up in the moving average, much like the NASDAQ. Banks, big drop here on the banks. Financials, big drop on the financials. And crude oil, we poked its head above. You see this? Above a trend line. I called it a buy because of this. However, we had a 5% move to the downside. Because of that, I can no longer say this is a buy. If anything, I have to reverse it. And I'm doing that with... I'm using TradingView, by the way. And you can find me under D7, and you can follow me, actually, here. You have to figure out how to do it, figure out how to follow people. And anyway, big drop here, so I'm definitely saying this is more of a sell at this moment. I'm going to get rid of this line. Doesn't need to be there anymore. This triangle, I'm going to massage this because that did act as resistance. And that's what we're dealing with here. Gold, up, 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 up. We're coming to an area of resistance. So that could be short-lived, this run. And silver broke above an area of resistance. Now that is a big move for it to do that. I'm long that. I have my stop loss set below an area of where I entered. I have nothing but upside potential to make money. And unless I get a big gap down, there's a 100% chance of me being in the money on this trade too. And tonight, we don't do these very often, but if you go to groktrade.com, drop down a little bit right here, registered Meet the Mentor tonight at 7 p.m. sharp. Don't be late or you'll jump in late. 7 p.m. sharp Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific. But click on this. Matter of fact, if I'm going to hit refresh, yeah, right there, and click here, and you'll get registered for that. We're going to try to keep it below 30 minutes, maybe 25 minutes of just talking to you all about what the mentor program is. Just, you hear us talking about it, but now you get to know about it. So that's what you do. Go to groktrade.com, click here, and join us tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern. Catch you later.